lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? I picked some of the most viral and unique makeup hacks that will probably not change the way you do your makeup. They're a little weird, not very practical, but we just need to ignore these two because they're so much fun. At least that's what it looks like. Denny, wait. Take this. A gift. Yeah, open it. You like it? Denny, what is this? It's a gift. Yeah, we just said that. Why you're holding it like a dirty sock? Come on, put it on. Hold on, I can't find my eyes. The last time I checked, they were somewhere on your head. I hope this helps. Gorgeous. I look like Batman. Yeah, but a pretty one. Catching criminals and compliments? I don't think I can do either of those, but okay. Yeah. But these videos went super violent on the internet, and it's all about people doing their makeup with a face mask on. Did I just say violent or viral? Can we see the replay? But these videos went super violent. Super violent. Oh. Guys, calm down. Calm down. I'm sorry I said that. That's not what I meant. I meant viral. They went viral on the internet. I'm just kidding. And look at the result. They apply some eyeshadow on top of the mask, and look what happens when they take it off. Boom! The result is actually quite nice. I'm gonna be so lucky if mine comes out like that. Why is my skin gray? Toot toot. Yeah, we got a problem. Okay, what's the problem? I don't know, you code. Toot. Why is my skin gray? Denny, you have the black and white filter on. Toot. It's still gray. How do you explain it? Look at my cheeks, under my brow over here, my forehead, my nose, my cheeks. I think it's the mask. It's leaking. It's a great quality, that's why. Imagine what happens if I wear it for a few hours and I sweat a little. We're up for an amazing start and terrible ending. Whoa, hold on, I have another one. Oh, this one is better. I feel like now I'm the criminal. Where's the fridge? Alright, listen up. There are two very important things that I need to do in order for this to come out good. Number one, numero uno. Add a bunch of colors, and by a bunch, I mean a lot. The more the better, and the better the more. You know, just when I think that, hey, maybe I should stop adding colors, boom! That's when I keep on adding more. Yeah. And number two, take it slow and steady. Great things never happen in a hurry. Yeah, Rome wasn't built in a day. Or maybe it was, I don't know. I wasn't there. I just need to be patient. Remember, good things happen to those who wait. Except for this. This came out nice without having to wait. No way! How did I do that? Yeah, for this I was there, but I don't know how it happened. Magic. Wait, I wasn't expecting this at all. I was being so sloppy and not careful at all because I was impatient to find out how it turns out. This is so cool. By the way, my dad told me that I look like an Eastern egg. Yeah, I can see that. I wasn't careful at all and it came out so good. Imagine if I was trying a little harder. Well, you don't have to imagine because I am actually gonna try it one more time. My feelings are mixed. Like a good salad right now. Why am I craving salad? Is it because I'm wearing green? Weird. Because I'm sad. I'm sad because I'm removing it, but I'm also super excited because now I'm gonna try it out with black. Yeah. Just tell me, what can possibly go wrong? You don't need to tell me, you're gonna see in a while, okay? Well, that was a little spoiler. On a scale of 1 to 1,000, I'm disappointed 2,000. Was ist das? Was ist das? Did I just start speaking in German? How? Anyways. Wow, ever been so disappointed you start speaking in languages you had no idea you knew? Yeah, it just happened to me. English was not enough to express my disappointment about this. Well, this didn't came out exactly how I thought. It kind of looks like a reversed lace, but a bad one. Do I like this? I tried saving it by outlining it. This is how it was before and this is how it is now. I don't think that it's savable. Apparently, I don't like it. Colors and shimmers make everything better. Even if it's the ugliest thing out there. Even if it's the most hideous thing out there. If it's colorful and shimmery, it's pretty. And I want it. Except for this, I don't want this. You know what is going to feel really good right now? Wiping it off. Listen, third time is a charm. At least that's what they say, I don't know. But you wanna know how I'm feeling right now? Confident! Because I'm using my best tools and I'm pulling my most powerful moves. I'm talking about things that never fail. And you probably want to know, Danny, what are those things? Tell us the secret. I want to know. It's very simple. We're gonna add a bunch of colors. Everything is better if it's colorful. We already said that. And here comes the secret ingredient. Glitter. I'm unleashing the colors of the rainbow on my face, and I'm also showering everything with glitters. And listen, if glitter can't make this look good, then we might as well pack up and go home. Yeah, because if glitter can't save this, nothing else will. You ready? Wow, I did this in under 5 minutes. This is awesome. Can it be better? Yeah. Or will I try to make it better? Yeah. And look at all of these little details over here. Check it out. You know what I love the most about these? Sparkles. They're everywhere. I like that. Sparkles stole my heart a very long time ago. They don't want to give it back. I don't know what to do. I tried everything. Toot toot. Yes, I want to report a missing heart. Whose heart is missing? Whose heart? My heart. It's missing. Okay. I saw sparkles running away with it, so I think that they might be the main suspect. Uh-huh. You might want to look into that. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't look into that because I can't find my glasses. It's been 3 days. Oh, Grandma, sorry. Wrong number. Nah, hold on. I found my glasses. I'm not gonna lie, this is looking really good so far, but is there something that can make it even better? Psst, Danny, come over here. Come. I want to tell you a little secret. Thanks. Hi. First attempt, second or third? Which one is your favorite? I think I like this one. I tried my best to come up with a completed look, but honestly, it looks like it's 2016 and I'm going to Coachella. You like it? You love it? Huh? It looks like I had a bucket with some colors and glitters and rhinestones and I just shoved my head inside there. Ta-da! The art. The artist. It's a very festive look and that's the whole idea of this hack. It's supposed to help you come up with a festive look very quickly and effortlessly. And for that, it's a 10 out of 10 from me. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this. Bye. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. I think I should talk about the thing that has been poking your eyes this whole time, and that thing is my shirt. I just want to say that I think that green, even though I hate it, I never stopped hating it. From the bottom of my heart, I hate it. But I think that it looks good on me. There is no way that came out of my mouth. But screenshot this, because this is going to be the first and the last time you see me wearing green. Brown and green, they look so good together. And everything that I have is brown. Like my hair, my eyes, my eyebrows, everything is brown. And green just really makes everything pop. Okay, jokes aside. The real reason why I'm wearing this green t-shirt today is that my washing machine broke. I broke it. It was me. And maybe you're wondering, but then how do you break a washing machine? I somehow managed to do it. Yeah, all by myself. Rest in peace, washing machine. You will forever be remembered. I can explain, but I don't wanna, because it's embarrassing. Anyways, my new washing machine is taking a little too long to be delivered. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it's very unfortunate. I'm not over exaggerating. 95% of my clothes are dirty. It was not my choice to put it on. You don't understand, I had no other choice. This is the first time on this channel. Actually, it's not the first time. I wanted to say that this is the first time we're trying out a hair hack, but it's definitely not the first time we're trying out a hair hack. But this one is like super genius because they're dyeing their hair, but they're not using any hair dye or coloring hairspray or hair chalk, nothing like that. No. They're actually using, drum roll, feather. And there is only one way you can react to this. OMG. Yes, exactly. That's what I said too. So I got some feathers over here that are trying to attack me. Should I go with red, blue, purple, light purple, pink?
Ich hasse das.
Ich hasse das. Let's go with blue. Look how bright it looks. Oh my god. They are applying some lash glue in the center of that feather, then they're sticking it on their hairline, and then they're brushing it using some hairspray to lock it in place. Ah, very nice. Very, very nice. It looks almost unnoticeable. They just forgot to mention what do we do in case the feathers we picked are absolute trash. No offense, feathers, but what happened? It's like they melted when I sprayed them with the hairspray. Like cotton candy, they just... Why is everything such a bad quality today? These were so expensive. I could have bought a new washing machine for the money I spent on this. Listen, there is only one way to fix this. I'm gonna add more. But why do I need to stick it? I like how it's moving. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, I should have tried this when I was bored. So many missed opportunities. Okay, we're spraying. Gently brushing it, but how do they make it work? I don't understand. Yeah, it's not working. Ow. You know what? Forget about the blue. We are going red. Okay, we're on to something. This is looking better. Gently, we don't want to ruin it. I think I'm using a little too much hairspray and it's just melting. Yeah, I'm definitely using too much hairspray. But I can't be the only one who is confused as to why the hairspray is making my feathers to just vanish. Anyways, I got rid of this feather. It was a fail anyway. And I decided to try it out again with a new one. So this time I'm gonna do what they did in the video. I'm gonna spray my finger and then I'm gonna just... Oh, come on, it's melting again. It looks so much better with red. Okay, red feather. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It's coming out so much better with less hairspray. Bye-bye hairspray, we don't like you. La 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 la. You have my permission to use that as your ringtone. La 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 la. It's gonna be an absolute nightmare to remove that lash glue from my hairline. Just a little bit of hairspray and I'm gonna use my fingers to stick it. Okay, what is this? I think I'm gonna need to cut it. Oh, that's a very dangerous mission. Oh, no. Okay, I'm cutting. I cut it. Maybe if I try to spray it with some water and then maybe brush it or something. I don't know. I'm just a girl who saw something on TikTok, thought I could make it work, and now I'm disappointed. Why am I doing that to myself? I like how my hairline just shows up here. It's like, hello, I'm still here. But hey, I think that wetting it with some... Wow, look at that. Hello. Bye-bye. Yes, water. Water is the solution to everything. Look how good it looks now. I mean, it's not like super good, but it's better. If someone who knows what they're doing tries it out, I think that it can be quite nice. Me, on the other hand, the only thing that I can do to try to save it... Come on, you can already see it coming. Why you're acting like you don't know what I'm about to do? You know it. You can see it in my eyes. I'm gonna have lash glue in my hair for like 3 months after this. I love that for me. Come on, little feather. Stop giving me a hard time. Stick already. I don't like feathers anymore. I can't make it stick.
6 hours later.
Look at that, it looks so good. I can't believe I did that. Alright, it's time and I'm ready. I don't know if I should use this one or this one. I have way too many of them. Maybe I can mix them. Stop it. Stop it. I love that. No, I don't like this. I'm actually obsessed. Okay, listen, this is very nice. This is very nice. It looks like I have sparkly, colorful dandruff. This is the first time I'm using this word in English. Dandruff. How is it in German? I don't know what's up with me in German today. It's just...
Schuppen.
Schuppen.
Glitzernde Schuppen.
Glitzernde...
Glitzernde Schuppen.
Glitzernde Schuppen. That's what I have. Sounds like a real diagnose. Yeah, I can't come today. I have the glitzernde Schuppen. It might be contagious. I don't know. I don't want you to catch it too. What are my symptoms? Oh, it's bad. My hairline. It's sparkling. It looks so much better when it's out of focus. Check it out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, sparkly. They say third time is a charm. I don't believe them anymore. And rightfully so, because what is this? Ugh, this is a mess. I hate everything. Because I tried mixing the colors, being a little more playful. Ugh, I'm so playful. I tried being a little more playful and creative, but it turned out like this. I guess the attempt wasn't very successful. And now I'm left with a blue hairline, wet t-shirt, and hair full of glitters. I thought I bought some very high quality feathers, but they turned out to be not so great. Yeah, I think I got scammed. I'm gonna buy some better feathers. I'm gonna try it out again on TikTok, so that's why you should go and follow me on there. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I think you might also like watching this. Here I tried some weird recipes that I found on TikTok, and here, you better click and find out. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!